Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in Quran studies today, I'm going to be doing Surah An-Naziyat from ayah number 21 to 26. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So let's get started. Ayah number 26 is Fakazzaba wa'asa. So let's see, not 26 actually, 21. So 21 to 26. So 21 ayah is Fakazzaba wa'asa, and it means but he denied it as false and disobeyed. So who denied it? When Pharaoh was shown the big signs by Prophet Musa alayhi salam, he denied them. Fakazzaba means but he denied, wa'asa means and disobeyed. Please pardon my writing. Even after seeing the clear signs right in front of him, Pharaoh still denied the truth and called Prophet Musa alayhi salam a magician. So after that, the next ayah is Summa adbara yas'a. Summa adbara yas'a. So let's see the translation. And then he turned back to have recourse to his craftiness. So adbara means he turned back. Yas'a means striving. So this happened after okay, did I do something? No. Okay, this happened after the magicians accepted Islam and prostrated. This was a big insult of Pharaoh in front of a big gathering. He turned to make some other plans, because like he was totally humiliated in front of everyone whom he had gathered. And then when the magician prostrated and said that we are Muslims now, the Pharaoh was very angry. He turned around and he was trying to make some plans to rescue his insult, that he was so much insulted. So summa adbara yas'a fahashara fanada. So let's see what this means. And gathered his people and declared. Fahashara means and he gathered. Fanada means and he called out. So Pharaoh gathered all his people and then he made an announcement that will come in the next ayah. So fahashara fanada faqala ana rabbukumul a'la. So he said that I am the supreme Lord of you all. Faqala means and he said. Al-A'la means the most high. Pharaoh called himself God, and he even said to his people that I do not know any other God for you except me. So he just turned towards his people and said that he is their God. So let's move on to ayah number 25. فَأَخَذَهُ اللَّهُ نَكَالَ الْآخِرَةَ وَالْأُولَى. So thereupon Allah seized him and for punishment of this world, as well for punishment of the world to come as well as the present. فَأَخَذَهُ means so seized him. Nakala means with an exemplary punishment. So this was indeed an exemplary punishment that was given to Pharaoh. Allah made an example out of the punishment of Pharaoh for all the people who rebel. So the last ayah for today is Inna fi zalika la'ibratan liman yakhsha. Surely there is a great lesson in it for whoever would fear Allah. La'ibratan from Ibra means surely is a lesson. Yakhsha means from khashia, fear. So these were the ayahs about the reaction of Pharaoh, which he gave after Prophet Musa alayhi salam gave him the news and showed him the great signs. So let's revise the ayahs of today. Fakazzaba wa'asa. So he disobeyed and he turned, like Pharaoh disobeyed, like he did not accept the ayahs. Summa adbara yas'a, and he turned around and he started striving to like make another plan. Fahashara fanada, and he gathered his people. Faqala ana rabbukumul a'la, and he said that I am your God, who is فَأَخَذَهُ اللَّهُ نَكَالَ الْآخِرَةَ وَالْأُولَى. So Allah overtook him and he made an example out of his life in this life and also in the next life. Inna fi zalika la'ibratan liman yakhsha. And in what happened to Pharaoh, there is a big lesson for people, all those people who rebel. So these were the ayahs for today. Inshallah, I'll continue tomorrow. Fi amanallah.